So let me tell you something just basically about Canva. It was created by three people. One of them is a lady. They are all from Australia. And the interesting thing is that none of them is a top skilled designer. But they felt that there is a huge need for a tool that can make our lives simple and on the same time quite professional. So they decided to create this a format where everyone can find different kinds of pre-designed templates that are mostly for free. And then, according to your personal creativity or need, or whatever it's that you need to design the thing for, you can actually add the personal signature into those templates and design that I offer. So Canva is basically a platform where you can find three different options. One, it's as I mentioned, for free. The added option to the free version is that you pay just for certain elements. When you're choosing and making your design, you practically have some elements that you can pay for, and usually it's $1, $2, $3, $5. I never saw more than $5 elements that you should pay if you decide to incorporate them into your final creation. And a third option is that you pay a monthly subscription, and then you have all kinds of additional extra templates and extra options that are not available with a free version, meaning that it's adding less possibility or more creativity on your side, and less possibility that someone else will use that template or those colors or those elements designing their own material. So let's go directly into the practical part of this workshop. I will open and share my screen once again. For everyone that have joined later, you can always share your emails in our chat box. And after this workshop, we will make sure that you will receive the recording so you can replay and work on the steps that we will be showing during the presentation or the workshop, and create extra designs. You can also ask questions, comment. You just need to turn on your microphones and try to reach us and join us. We will try, of course, me and Slavica, to go slowly and to go into as much as details as it's needed. But if you have any question or comment that you would like to share, you can always either turn on your microphones and talk to us, or you can chat with us. So we are all here for you. And so now I will share my screen. The official website for Canva is canva.com. Slavica will write it down for you in the chat. So you can always go to your browser, write www.canva.com, and this is the landing page that you will see. So this is the page that you will get when it's about starting with Canva. I have a professional subscription, but there is no difference whether you have a professional or a free version. It's always this landing page that you will get if you're on a computer. Honestly, even though I have installed Canva on my phone, I don't recall that I have used it and I made any creation on my phone. So I have no personal experience. I'm just saying that I have installed the application for the phone, but I never tried, just from the practical reasons. I prefer bigger screens so I can better see everything what is offered on the menus.
The same on the phone is the same as it is on the screen, just because you are usually seeing smaller the image. Like in any other application, you're doing like this and it's getting bigger, and you can do anything that you can do on your computer on the phone as well. Yes. It takes more time, but it's there are no different features managing the work you have. Yes.
Super. So even though you are using the free version, most probably you will have to create make a sign up, because by creating a sign up, even for the free version, you can actually have all your creations memorized. So Canva, one of the things that is wonderful about it is that once you practically join the community, Canva is remembering your recent designs. So if I scroll a little bit down, you will see practically that after the general menu, there is a specific part called the recent designs. And in this part, which is recent designs, you are actually having all the designs, all the activities that you were undertaking while you were on this page. So again, the free version it's completely useful, practical, friendly, and if you don't need a big interaction, or you don't have that kind of a job that requires that you create often designs or posters or different kinds of materials. Then for just a basic use, free version is practically a wonderful tool. Actually, both Slavica and I, we started with a free version while we were testing it and while we were learning the possibilities and the options. So I just recently, like 2 months ago, I've decided to go for the paid version. The paid version can be done into monthly installments, and it's not a huge thing. You can always go into the additional part where they are giving you the options, so you can scan that and learn more into details. As you can see, this is the starting point. So you practically have different designs that are offered for you, and you can use it for all kinds of activities, or all kinds of projects, or whatever you need to have a design. You can go to Canva and create it by yourself. Once again, of course, a professional designer, it's something that it's bringing a different level to your project or to your activity, but to be independent, to be free, to nurture your creativity, to give this liberty to use digital tools and to make them work for you. It's a great gift that Canva is bringing to my life, at least in the past year and a half. So we will go from the top down. There is a place called Design Spotlight, and if you step with your mouse there, this will open up for you, this part of the screen, and inside practically are the sections that you can use while working in Canva. Everything is divided by sections, and what is wonderful is already predetermined. So if you want to do a Facebook a photo, or a Facebook announcement, when you go to Facebook, sorry, I moved. When you go to Facebook, they are giving you the designs that are already set for Facebook. So you don't need to do any extra adjustments to the sizes. Canva is already giving you that option. So practically you don't need to be concerned whether that project that you are creating will fit or will be out of the lines. Every single project that you choose, it's always in the lines that it's needed for the certain project that you are preparing. So practically you have logo maker, flyer maker, poster maker. You can write your resume, your CV in Canva. You can do invitations, you can do business cards, memos. You have opportunity to use it to create short videos, like sorry, I'm moving it. Okay, now video ads, video editor. You can create photo books, so you can practically put all your photos in one place, and then you can even print it. What I did last New Year, I did a shirt for as a present. So I took the photo and then I used this photo to be printed on a shirt as a New Year gift, surprise gift to my boys. It was a picture of our cat. So you can practically use your photos, your materials, and put it in different designs in Canva, combine them, do the colors that you like, and then have the full pre-printing preparation for mugs, labels, invitation calendars, and shirts. So working with Canva again gave me this this freedom to use different combinations of designs that are already given as templates, but also to add something personal, something very unique from my side, and still to feel and to have a professional result, and again to have this this opportunity to use it as a replacement in my job, in my work, for example, doing presentations. Slavica and I, now we are so into doing presentations in Canva, especially because there is an option that you can share the design, the creation, the presentation that you are making with someone else, and you can both add and make the changes while you are online. So the only thing that you need for Canva is internet access and a little bit of patience, basic knowledge of computers, and a lot of creativity and time to play and enjoy. Then there is also a wonderful opportunity that you can use it for business and education. I know that it's offered to teachers and schools, and there are special plans, professional plans for organizations, for NGOs, and for schools and students. So it's a wonderful tool that you can just use for any particular need or any particular situation. So we said we will be creating a poster. That's why I'm going to the poster menu, and the screen is actually leading me directly to the place where there are already preset templates for posters. The beauty is that you have the commands on your left side of the screen, and you can always go to all templates, and again you can get different templates that you can choose from, or every time when you open a certain field, you can actually find all kinds of variety of posters that are dedicated to some particular theme. So for example, there is advertising and then back to business templates. So maybe you need a template for an event, So you need to create a poster that will be connected with a certain event. Or you want to raise some campaign, sale, fundraising, also some holiday events that you want to make advertisement for. So you practically go scroll in here, and you can just get preset templates for whatever need that you have, and then you can choose which one is catchy, which one is more to the style that you need, or to the type of the poster that you want to create. I'm just saying that we've decided to use this poster theme for today, but it doesn't necessarily need to be a poster, or it doesn't necessarily need to be this thing that you will start with. So you can always go to this search of templates field, type in what you are looking for, and then wait for the results. So for example, we would like to have a training promotion. Yes, a training course promotion. So you see, I've just typed training course, and I got all the templates that are available to me regarding the creation of a poster that later I will transform into my personal training poster for my personal training program. I will go with the one with the crown. Why I'm saying one with a crown? Because I wanted to show you how you can make the difference between the paid and not non-paid version of Canva. Everywhere where you will see crown and pro, when you step on the crown, you will get a crown and pro. That is the paid version of Canva. So you can try to work on it. It's not forbidden. Just when you will finally finish your poster or your creation, when you will like to download or share it, then the system will tell you that it's a professional version, so you will have to pay for the elements that you have used. So in order not to waste your time, if you are not willing to go with the paid version immediately, you better try to focus only on those templates that are without crown. And you can see there are plenty of those that you can choose from. So you are really given a lot of free, charge-free templates that you don't need to pay for. So that's why first step that you need to do when you decide on which project you will work, to define the style by choosing non-paid version of the Canva templates. So crown is the mark of the professional. Actually, you need to subscribe so you can use that template. Once you subscribe, you can use all the templates and all the elements for free. Doesn't matter whether they are paid $1, $2, or $5. You are not paying extra. So it's one monthly fee which is covering everything. So let's check which template we will work on, just to show you how now you can practically change the whole design of Canva, in Canva, sorry, of the poster in Canva. I'm trying to find something that I like, and what is funny, everything that I like at the moment is unpaid version. Anyway, I will go with this one, so you can see how it functions.
Sorry, Kate, that is paid version. Please.
This is paid version. Yeah. So you prefer that I use unpaid version? Okay.
Yeah.
Deal.
I think that it's better to.
Super. Even better, because I already have chosen unpaid version, this one that I like, and it's even better. Thank you. Super. So this is my choice. Actually, in Canva, you have always opportunity to use a blank canvas. So you don't even have to go to the templates. You can use always a simply clean, empty canvas, but it's easier and faster when you do a preset template. So that's why we are recommending that you go with a template that is already given to you. But in any case, if you don't find anything that you like, you can always practically decide to go with the blank and then add elements upon your preference. So this is the next step. This is the next level that you get once you choose your template. You can always give up. You can always change. You can always go back. You just need to go to this top corner, left corner, home button, or you can go to templates, browse again. You still have templates to choose from that are offered to you, as you can see now while I'm browsing down. So it's nothing definite. You can always go back, and you can always try to find something better or something different. What is also very, very interesting with Canva is that once you made your choice, now even if you go back home, Canva is remembering that you have started with this one. So even though you open 10 different templates, Canva will still be remembering every single change that you were making in which one of those templates. So there is no special need for you to click save or to make a special extra step in order to memorize your product, your design. While you are online and while you are working, Canva is saving all your changes. So you have no worries of losing any particular change that you have made. Even if you decide to stop and go for a coffee and come back tomorrow and reopen again your profile, your design, sorry, your design will be at the right spot where you have stopped. So nothing is canceled or deleted or lost. So that is another a great rewarding opportunity that Canva is offering. Canva is giving you a possibility for Macedonian support, but also it's also in many other languages. So you can write in French, Spanish, whatever you think of. You can actually just change. Sorry. You can just change the language, and you can always type in Cyrillics or in Latin if you need a different typing. Actually, if you want to write in different language. So let me introduce you with the menu, which is on the left side of your screens. This menu is offering you different segments. One is elements, the other one is uploads, meaning that you can upload pictures, stuff from your computer, and you can add it into your design. You can work on the text. And of course, you have different text templates. And then there are some additional stuff that you can add coming from Facebook and applications, etc. When you are browsing on those different segments, you will see the details of that segment into this black part of the field, left side of your screen. Now we are still at templates, so that's why I'm seeing all the templates. When I will click on elements, I will get different elements that are offered to me, and I can use them while I'm working on my project. Again, here are a certain segments that you can choose from. So if you choose lines, Canva will give you all kinds of different designs for lines. If you go with, I don't know, hearts or shapes, for example, shapes, you will get all kinds of different shapes. If you go with for example, I don't know, it can be something in the natural, Snow White, snowflake, bell, I don't know, a rose, whatever you need in order for you to make your creation according to your need and imagination. You just type here into the search field and you just will get it. For example, for my particular, I need books, so I can add value to my poster that I'm creating on trainings. Again, whenever you decide, whatever you decide to open, I just wanted to give you 2 tips. When you go to graphics, you can see all the graphics that are offered. If you don't see the Crown and Pro, that means it's a free version. If you see the Crown and Pro, that means it will be charged later on a certain amount of money. Usually it's just per element, so you will discover the amount at the end, well, you will finish your project. So you can browse and you can find what is best design for your particular poster that you need. If you are not happy with it, you can always try to change, give a different wording, give a different command, and you will get a different result. So let's start creating our poster. Every single element that you see on your poster, and this is usually the size of A4. So if you want to make it smaller later, when we will be going finishing the whole project, we can make the choice of the dimensions. But anyway, usually what you see, it's something that you can print on A4 format for the time being. Every single thing it's a part of, it's a separate element that you can take out, that you can remove, that you can switch, that you can modify, that you can change. Everything that you see on this page, as I go, you see with my mouse, every single element, it's replaceable. So you can practically choose to make a difference in every single particular field. For example, I would like to keep the website where it is. Just I need to change the website of my organization. Here on the top of the screen, you have the basics that you are using every single day, creating a Word document or making changes in the Word document. So for example, while I'm in this field for with my new website, I would like to make that a bigger, so more visible. So I go with the plus and I go with the minus in order to adjust the right dimension of the website that I want to have and to make it visible. If I want to move it from there, because I've decided that I would like to place one of those elements on that spot, you just need to mark it down, and then you just move with your mouse as you will be doing in any kind of PowerPoint presentation, for example, if you ever did it. If you never did it, you just need to mark the area that you would like to move around, be in the field, and then you can just, by squeezing your mouse, you can just go and move it wherever you want to. And you can practically play with the elements that you are given, and you can just have them replaced according to your need. The beauty is that at the end, you will get a completely new design just because you have used your personal touch, your personal creativity. You can change the colors, the background colors, or the colors of the elements. and when you step on a particular element with a color, you will see that color right up on the screen changing. So you can decide to go step on that particular color, and then you will immediately get the menu with the colors. The trick is that in the first row, you will be given all the colors that are consistent, that are part of your poster. So all the colors, the nuances of the colors that are part of your template are given in the top row, except this one, which is practically giving the whole spectrum, but also is giving you the exact name of the colors in Pantheon. Then you have some extra colors that are default colors that again are given, and you can still use them while you're doing your creation. So for example, instead of that green, I would like to go with the purple. And as you can see now, it's not it's not working very well with this design that I made. So maybe I will need a brighter color, since I would like to have those letters coming into the circle. But now I would like to change this one, so I don't want to have too many similar elements. And then again, I will go and change this red into green. So now my design has different colors from the initial version. And then I can still have some purple. And here I would probably go with turquoise. Yeah, I think that this is how I like it. And you see, I lost the picture there. So if don't panic, you can always go back with this arrow, which is a simple undo, and will take you a step back. If you are not satisfied, you can always go undo several times, and you can practically choose a different changes and go back to the very first version of it. So you don't need to panic. If you don't like the combination, or you think that you made a mistake, you can always go to this arrow, which is undo, and then go a step back. I would not sorry, let me show you what I did. I would I don't like to have to keep this picture. So what I will do is actually I will delete I will step on the field. You see the field for the picture is marked, and I will go with delete. What is left is actually a field which is preset by the design, and it's in elements, and you can have all kinds of those frames that you can use in your posters, and you can easily put pictures in it. Only those with the cloud and green and blue sky are the frames that are used in Canva. So you insert a photograph in it. So only those, and you have them in all kinds of versions, shapes, and they can be smaller or bigger, or whatever you need for your particular design. So for example, I would like to add another one. So when I will click the shape that I want, the system will immediately send it in the middle. Again, you just need to mark that with your mouse. Keep your finger pressed and on the mouse, and then you just move the element wherever you want. So you keep your finger pressed on the mark element, and you just go wherever you want with that particular element. Those elements now are ready to be filled in with something. So for example, I will go to uploads in order to put a picture of me while I'm doing, because I want people to know that I'm the one that I will be delivering the training. So for example, I will go to my computer and choose choose a picture from my computer, directly from my computer. I will choose a picture that can be used for this particular training. I just go where I have my picture stored, and when I click on the bottom on the button, I will get my picture uploaded, as you can see. So what I can do is just go on the picture that you have just uploaded. You just click with the mouse and you will get it immediately in the middle of the screen. And it's bigger, isn't it? Now it's not good for this poster, for this creation that I'm making. So the trick is that, again, you mark the field, you take it with your mouse, and you go directly into the spot where you would like to insert this particular picture of yours. If you're not satisfied, you go, you mark it again, you double click, and then you can work with your mouse and move it in order you get the picture right, so it's visible from everywhere. Let me finish with those elements with pictures. I wanted to have books, so I will go again to images, books. You can't find the results. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me check once again. Books. Now I'm on the right place, and then I will go to see all to see which kind of element I want. This is nice, so maybe this can work out. No, it's not good. I don't like it. I go undo. I go twice, 3 times, so I'm back from the starting point. Maybe a different design. So let's go for something more interesting that will be better for my particular for my particular training course that I would like to make. It's still not good. I'm not satisfied. So again, just tap on it and delete it. It will be ready to be used again. Obviously, graphics will not work out, so I will go with photos. I would like to have, again, books, but photos. And then it's giving me options, whether it's stack of books or open books, all books. So all kinds of photos are given, and I can choose from accordingly. And again, I can use it in order to finish my creation. I can play with it until I find what I'm looking for. I can still play with the design and try to find the right version of what I want in order to make my creation. It's always me playing with the options that I have, but just marking and deleting and going backwards and going forward. Let's check. Wow, I think that I have found it. Just this color doesn't fit here, so I will go with the more goldish or yellow. And then since I don't want everything to be yellow, I will change registration with different color, and I can always change the colors of the letters as well, so I can make this registration a bit bigger and more visible. And yes, I moved those topics. So let me say now it's a soft skills training. And if I want this to fit, I'm just making it, I'm just playing with this field, trying to make it bigger, wider. You see, you can change the writing. You can change whether you want that to be in the middle or not, whether you want to twist it on or off. I can make it bold, so I can actually make it more visible. Again, it's giving you the color of the letters. So if you press the sign A, which is for text, and below you see the color was something like gray, then you can always decide on a different color. It's always marked the color that it's used, so you can practically choose another color if you want to, and make it different. And yes, when you are moving it around, it's giving you all those marks, whether it's in the center or not, whether you will need to change something regarding the lines. I will keep this because the timing is perfect. I will just make it bigger, but I want to add another text which will give the details. So I will go to this text field on the left side, and by just clicking it, you will get those different options of the the texts that you can use. Some are preset, so the writing that you will choose is already given. You will just play with the colors. Most of them are paid versions, but you can still decide whether it's something that you want for a headline or a sub-headline, or something that you would need to add somewhere in the text. So this is because by choosing one of those, you will get the different sizes and different possibilities. And of course, you have all kinds of possible typings that you can choose from. Majority of them are also free versions, so you don't need to improvise. Let's see. I would like to, for example, to put a subtitle, which will give me the date. So again, you need to step on it and move it. Sorry, let me. Yes. So you can move it where you want to have that placed, and then you can write inside by just pushing a button and coming into the field. And the workshop, the course will be Monday, 30th. January 30th. Let me write January 30th. And again, you see it's overlapping. Don't panic. Just mark the field, and when you are in it, you will get this cross. You can always play and move it up. When it's marked, you can make it smaller. You can widen by just having this line moved, so you can again play with all those elements without panicking and without thinking that you can create anything wrong. And yes, of course, I would like to add another subheading, just saying trainer, your trainer. And this will be placed next to my picture that I will make smaller, and I will put this so actually everybody can know why this picture is there. And yes, now it's much better, and I just need to finish my design by adding this headline, and I would like to see something which is better. So maybe I will use this coffee please as option. Let me check whether, yes, it's there. So I clicked it twice. I will make it sorry, let me undo so I can work on it. First of all, let me cancel this because I will not need it. So now I will go with this coffee please It's too big for my design, but I will figure it out later. Let's test it. And yes, let's say it's a online training. Yeah, let's check. Now let's make it centered. When you are choosing one of those that are preset, you can play with the color, but you cannot play with the typing. So the typing is already preset, and you cannot change it. The only thing that you can change is the actual color that you're using for that particular project of yours. So either you type and you choose any kind of headline, and here in the corner you get the type of the characters that you can use. This is what it's offered to you. Those without crown, of course, once again, are free versions. The others are paid versions. So either you choose your font and you use the font that you prefer, or you use one of those that are already given, are free of charge. So you use them to add extra touch into your creation. Now I'm almost done. The only thing that I need to see is to check whether I'm happy with the colors and everything. Maybe there is too much yellow, so I will go with some different smoother color there, or something that I think that will work better for me, but that is playing and adding, and I can still add or take out or make all kinds of changes if I need, wherever I need on my poster. In order to keep this poster or share it, I can go here, and I can erase the name and name this poster, so I can have it in my records. Anyone that is trying to talk to me and ask something, I can hear something as a back noise. Okay, online training, and it's done. The way how I can download it now to my computer is to go to share, and then to download, and then it's giving me the options. It's giving me the different options how I can get this poster. Usually it's giving you one that is recommended. Now it's giving me this in a PNG, which will be like a picture. It's giving me the size, and it's giving me the options that I can choose from in order to download it. Or if I don't like it, I can change it into different, which is not PNG. It can be a different option, and again a different size regarding connected with whatever I need this poster for. I just click download, and it's automatically downloaded to my computer. I can save it, I can share it, I can send it to someone. I can print it home, I can print it in a printing office, or I can just simply share it as an attachment through email. So this is it.